Hi guys, I'm Kim and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here again today. I am here today with another Coles grocery haul. So I haven't done one of these for a while because I've been getting HelloFresh instead, but I got a little bit sick of that. So I thought I would go back to normal grocery shopping. So I'm just going to quickly unpack all this and then I'm going to go through with you what we got for the week. Okay, so this is everything unpacked. So we got 2 loaves of bread. I got a wholemeal and a normal white. I got some brioche buns. We got some jam, so I got a blackberry and a strawberry. I got 3 Monster energy drinks. Some serviettes. A lettuce. Some Roma tomatoes. Some kiwi fruit, brown onions, some mangoes, bananas. I got an enchilada kit, 2 burrito kits. I got some pub style extra crispy frozen fries and some, what are these ones, the sweet potato fries. And I also got some onion rings here as well. Then I got some frozen fish, some strawberries, some parmesan cheese, some ravioli, some honey, 2 taco kits, 2 lots of these fruit-filled variety pack bars, the sauce to go on the pasta, some yogurts. I got some grated cheese, and then I got 2 unsweetened almond milks, some chicken breasts, and some beef mince. And then I also got some boxed water, some toilet paper, some Sunkist, as well as some Pepsi Max. There were a couple of items that were missing from this order. I ordered some chicken burgers, which they did not have in stock, so that was to go with the brioche buns. I also ordered a zucchini and another kind of frozen fish, I think. So the total of this order came to $232, and I think this is probably a bit more than a week's worth because I did stock up on a few things because they were on special. But for the week upcoming, so today's Sunday, we're going to be having lots of Mexican food, as you can probably tell. So some tacos, we're going to have some enchiladas, some burritos, we're going to be doing some burgers. I just have to actually go and buy the burgers now. Some pasta, probably do fish and chips one night. Yeah, so nice easy week. And then I've just been like really feeling like some fresh fruit lately, hence why I got the mangoes and strawberries and kiwi fruits and the bananas. So yeah, that is my food shop for the week. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what came in this week's grocery haul. So I'll probably be doing a little bit more shopping like this between now and the end of the year. Depends how I feel as to whether or not I want to go back to HelloFresh or whether I want to go back to meal planning for the week. Anyway, as always guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that little bell. That way you'll get notified of my videos in the future. Until next time, bye.